How to turn off repost on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off repost on TikTok so people can't share your videos without your permission. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And here, once you're inside the TikTok, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, from the pop-up menu, simply tap on settings and privacy. And now here, once you are in your settings section, simply scroll down and tap on notifications under content and display section. And here you will find repost option. So simply toggle it off and that's it. Now people won't be able to repost your videos on TikTok. It's quick, easy and gives you more control over your content. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.